Hey everybody, today this is Math 3 and I'm going to show you guys how to reflect the inverse over this line y equals x. Let's go ahead and get started, everybody. So what I want you first to do here is I have our graph right here and our line of symmetry y equals x. So one thing I'm going to do is I have my patty paper and I'm going to first outline both of our graphs here. So I have my parabola, very nice, right? And I also have my line of symmetry, which is right here, okay? If for some reason you need me to slow down, just pause the video, right? So as you can see, I have my parabola right here. Look at that amazing parabola. I also have my line of symmetry. So this is the tricky part, right? What I want you to do here is I'm going to flip this patty paper over. Look at that, right? So what you're going to do is see this line of symmetry. You're going to align it, the line of symmetry in the original graph. So look at that. Ooh, rotation, right? Take a look. So now, as you can see, the line of symmetry is aligned here, right? So for us to print this parabola on our graph, look at this, right? This is some math magic right here. So you're going to trace this again, right? And guess what? So let me see. Just trace it over as hard as you can, and look. Voila, look at that. The inverse shows right there. Isn't that crazy? Right? So you can definitely use this for many other applications, right? So essentially, review went from this to this, right? I guess it's time for the outro, right? So hopefully you guys learned how to reflect the inverse over the line of symmetry y equals x. And yeah, like and subscribe.